Let me show you how to create a quiz from your notes using AI for entirely free within just seconds. So first, head over to this page called rememberquick.com, and then all you need to do is you can drag and drop your files into the view. So just as an example, here is a PDF that describes the brief history of computers. And obviously this is a short one, but this is just for the demonstration. So what I can now do is I can turn this text into these quizzes by dragging and dropping the file here. Then I can click Generate Quiz, and I can select the type, for example, multiple choice questions or true false. Then I can do, let's do 15 questions, or actually that's a short one, let's do just 10. We can choose the language and then just click Start to start creating your quiz with the AI. And there we go. Here is your AI generated quiz. And now you can just start to answer these questions and it will show you if the answer is right or not. And it will also show you the explanation to the answer here. And one thing you can also do is you can switch between the modes. So you can do card mode where you will only see one question at a time. And then you can scroll these through and answer these questions one by one and see the answer also here below. And another super useful feature here is that you can turn your YouTube videos into these quizzes. So if you have a lecture in mind, you can just go to YouTube, click on these three dots and click share and copy the link, and then come back to Remember Quick and then just copy paste the link here and click generate quiz. And once again, this way you will create a quiz based on the lecture from YouTube, based on the contents here. And there are your questions and answers.